Welcome to my weather news channel. Downpours and squally winds have caused storms and floods on the east coast of Australia. Australia is at the mercy of storms and downpours that have already caused flooding in a dozen cities. Tens of thousands of Sydney residents were forced to leave their homes due to flooding. According to the authorities, the damage from the flood is yet to be calculated. Subscribe to the channel so as not to miss the weather news.